All right, let's check out this home in Red Deer. Definitely centrally located right in the center of Red Deer, pretty much 402650 A Street in Red Deer. And so if you're coming in from Calgary, you'd come in on Highway 2. Obviously, you can come in straight down Gates and head across on 50th Street. Same thing when you're coming in from Edmonton. You can come in across and come in on the north end if you want on 77th Street. So let's take a look at the location itself a little bit better, and then we'll take a look at the numbers. And just another perspective, you can see Edmonton in the distance, Innisfil down south, Penhold, Red Deer, this is the location, and of course Black Falls and Lacombe. Now let's just zoom in on this and take a better look at the home. And for those of you familiar with Red Deer, you can come across and head east on 19th and swing north on 40th Avenue, and that'll take you right up into the Michener Hill area right here. And the home itself is located on a quiet street. It is not a through street at all. It runs east and west, and ignore this little red flag here. The home is actually sitting right down here, just kitty corner to a large park. So again, not close to 40th Avenue and not close to 41st. It's set aside in a quiet street there. Now let's just check it out on the map, and then we'll take a look at some parts of the home. Here's a better look up close, which you'll be able to check out here. The home is situated right here. Again, kitty corner to the park, and lots of parking in the back. Again, it's a 50 by 125 lot, zoned R2, and it is a triplex with two bedroom suites and one bedroom suite. And for those of you that want to take a look at an actual map, this is where we're at. And again, the home is situated right in this area here. And here's a view of the home from the street, and we'll check out the backyard. Obviously not covered with snow right now. The shingles were done on this side of the home 3.5 years ago, and on the north side the shingles were just replaced this fall. And you have a big backyard with a back alley, and certainly lots of room to put a double or a triple detached garage in the back here. So again, that's a 50 by 125 lot, zoned R2. Now at present, the main floor suite, which is a 2-bedroom suite, is vacant, and the basement suite and the upper suite are rented at $775 per month, and the main floor suite rents for $950 per month. The home itself will work fantastic for someone who wants to own a home and have the tenants literally pay for all of your mortgage expenses and your property taxes. So, can't be guaranteed, but that's certainly something you can take a look at there, especially with the way the rental market is in Red Deer right now. And in the kitchen, you have an L-shaped kitchen, and the oven is just off to the left, and there's a doorway to your left that leads to the outside door as well. There's 2 pro formas built out, and they are truly a pro forma, so the numbers would need to be verified, and they're certainly not guaranteed, but at least they're a starting point for yourselves, and then you can contact your accountant and other professionals and work through them. So let's just take a peek at it here. So we've got a Red Deer triplex on a lot that's zoned R2 with a 1-bedroom suite, 2-bedroom suites with new roof, flooring, and paint. And you'll see the link in the ad for this PDF, and if you can't make that work, by all means go ahead and request it by email. There's the summary, cash flow analysis, and in that 17 pages you've got everything from cap rate to debt coverage ratio. So it'll walk you through the entire analysis. Now let's take a look at the 3-page analysis, which has the actual numbers inputted into it, not so much in a graphical format, but so you can drill down to it. Now here's the REIN, the Real Estate Investment Network's property analyzer, and went through and inputted that. So you have the street address, the asking price, some of the major repairs. Yeah, it'd be nice to have siding on it and windows, so that's why we're saying it'd be an effective purchase plus program where you add the windows in on the mortgage. The data is all in here. It has current rents of $2,500 a month when the main floor is rented at $950. These are the actual numbers from 2013. When you get the PDF and you read through it, you're going to find that the total monthly income less the expenses before debt service is just over $1,500 per month. Take out a first mortgage with the balance of $220,000. The payment per month is $1,041, leaves you a net cash flow of just over $500. Again, cannot be guaranteed. You add in a reserve fund, some legal costs, and coming in as an investor just under $100,000 for cash to close on this particular property. And on page 3, what you can do is you can find a breakdown what your total monthly return is. Again, this is not cash flow, but it is a return. And again, this is to be verified, and these numbers obviously are not guaranteed. But take a look at this. You have the cash flow, the monthly loan reduction, monthly appreciation factored at 3% right now, and some tax savings. Again, refer to your accountant on this, but it's nearly $1,800 per month. So take a serious look at this. I don't think there's too many little triplexes out there or duplexes that will give you this kind of a return. For all your questions, by all means email or call, and we'll look after you.